Bitcoin alert. The blue buy signal on the Bitcoin hash ribbons has just flashed. We now have price overlaid here in the blue, and our Bitcoin hash ribbons also signaling blue for the first time in a year. The last time was end of last July, early August of 2023. Really marked our precipice, if you will, to our next phase higher. Before that, we marked the start of this bull run at $20,000. It signaled back in January of 2023. Historically, it's been a very accurate signal. Before that, we got one in 2021. So only 3 signals. One just happened yesterday. 3 signals this entire run. Historically, this has been one of the most accurate predictors of the next leg up. Going all the way back to 2019 with remarkable accuracy, right? Calling very near where we start our next parabolic phase. 2019, we signaled at the whopping price of $3,400. Led to a Bitcoin explosive move all the way up to a closing price of $11,400 before finding hesitancy for a good bit of time, right? Then we move back down. Our next buy signal later that year, 2019 again, move back up, and then the pandemic, right? The Black Swan event. If you remove that, and we don't have another Black Swan event, then I think you would probably remove both of these buy signals. And this was actually going to be the likely start of this new run, this new phase. I would say we'd probably be in this phase. We probably could have removed 2 buy signals, but even so, they still worked out very well, right? We got a signal at 7,600, went on a little rally. The Bitcoin halving happened. Then we got another signal at 9K. Went back up more, right? What are you noticing here, right? The pattern is when this goes off, higher prices are coming, right? Even on the most sketchiest of times, we signaled at 43K after a fall from 60 all the way down to 40. We buy signal again. We rallied up, closed at 51K, fell all the way back down to where it signaled at 43K again. Then final rally, 2021, all the way back up to 69K. But each time we get this blue buy signal, it doesn't mean prices climb that very day, that very week, or even that very month. But in the several months to 6 months to a year ahead, that historically means great time to buy. So again, will this play out like it has historically for the past 9 times? Or will this be a new time, right? Are there things different? Of course, things are always different. But if there's ever one indicator you don't want to ignore, it's the hash ribbons buy signal. Historically, it's been very accurate. Again, it doesn't mean that we can't go back to 60K, 62, 65 by this time next week. But guess what? By October, November, December, history says prices will be higher. So we'll see. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Is this going to work out well again? And we should just remove all emotional thought and ape in? Or is this time different? And what's going to happen now? Let me know. What do you think? Have you heard of the Bitcoin hash ribbons before? Or is this new for you? If you want more help navigating these cycles, if you want more content like this, consider subscribing to our Patreon group or Telegram, link below. Find us on Twitter. And speaking of that, X, our quote of the day. Don't miss out on something that could be great just because it could also be difficult. Most great things are difficult. Profound. Okay, car of the day. Ford GT, America's best and one of the few supercars. Here is our next picture. There we go. The rear, one of the most epic rears of any car, in my opinion. Great exhaust. This wing has active aerodynamics, so when you go faster or slower, this wing rises up. It's amazing to see if you've never seen that. And that's it. So I'll put another picture of this on X in a little bit, and I'll see you on the next video. Bitcoin hash ribbons buy signal as of yesterday. Great things likely coming for Bitcoin in the not so distant future.